Hello everyone! So first and foremost, I want to welcome each one of you to my channel, Plenty Like It's Hot. And of course, I want to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for watching and subscribing. So guys, as you can see, there are two beautiful plant arrangements, the one in the red and the one in the white pot. And I will be showing you guys how I created each one step by step. But first, let me tell you how much I spent. Are you guys ready? So for each pot, I spent less than $10 Canadian, not even $6. I mean $5 in change. How is that possible? Well guys, keep watching and you'll find out. Enjoy! So guys, before we start, let's go over the items I used for these arrangements. As you can see, there's a white pot, very pretty. And I also used a red one. And both pots are ceramic. And each one has a drainage hole, which is very important to avoid root rot problems. And it comes with a built-in dish to capture excess water, just in case you overwater your plant. And yes, $3, yay! And $4 for the white one. And for the potting mix, it's $2.50 for the entire bag. You divide it by 2, that's $1.25 for each pot. And for the toppings, I used preserved moss, $3.50 for the entire bag, and you need about worth 75 cents for the red pot. Amazing! I also like to use stones, pebbles, gravel, pretty much anything I can find in and around my neighborhood that's free and pretty. Specifically pine cones, they make my arrangements look organic, and therefore I love them the most. And figurines, guys, if you have a figurine right now, incorporate it into your design. I assure you they add certain beauty. They're lovely. And of course, plants. I mean, we can't make an arrangement without plants, right guys? So for the red pot, I used an arrowhead plant, and for the white one, I used a snake plant. And both of these plants came from my existing collections, so I paid $0. See, as you can see, I'm digging or I'm removing a baby plant from a mother plant. I propagate my plants a lot, guys, and that's how I, pay $0 for my arrangements, because I use my own plants. If you don't have plants right now, I mean, you could ask a friend, a family member, a neighbor, and you can grow your collections from there. So in the future, you don't have to pay for your plants again. Or you can buy one for $6.99, for a house plant for $6.99 and $3.99. Okay guys, so let's start the show. Please watch and learn. So guys, I decided to do another one only because I want to show you guys another way that you can save money when you make your plant arrangements. So for this particular arrangement, again, I used my existing plants. I took a baby plant, and then I used a double purpose candle holder, like an outdoor candle holder. It doesn't have a drainage hole at the bottom, but that's okay because we're gonna use a little plastic thingy, the one on the left, the green one, and it has a bunch of holes at the bottom. See, even the label says please reuse me once my wax is empty, and it has a beautiful message. You know, it says it's the little things in life that matters. Okay guys, so let's start the show and please enjoy.